with just a really short video of this little Kate Spade crossbody that I actually been having it for a minute. I just keep forgetting to do a video on it. Anyway, I purchased this from TJMAXX, and I actually was surprised that it came with a dust bag, because I bought several bags from TJMAXX and I never got a dust bag. So I was surprised that it came with a dust bag. So just let me show you guys what I got real fast. Nothing special, just wanted to share it with you guys. But here it is, just this cute little small crossbody, and I thought it was really, honestly I really love the chain on this this bag. So here is the chain on it, super duper cute, and you can pull the chain and just make it to where it's a, let me pull this, make it to where it's a long crossbody. Well, not a long crossbody, but the strap is long for a crossbody. Or you can just pull these together and then just have you like a little short shoulder bag. So I thought that was really neat. But anyway, here is the front of the bag. And then here's the side. And then here's the back. And it feels like a soft pebbled leather. That's what it feels like. But this is the, it says Black Jackson Street, Ellery, and it retails for $178. And like I said, I got it from TJMAXX, and I got it for $39. So that's one thing I love about TJMAXX, baby. They will mark a bag down. So I got this for $39, which was a great deal. And I still have the receipt for it. So let me show you guys the inside of the bag. So here's the inside, super duper cute with the black and white stripe. So cute. And then it has a little pocket right here. And y'all, this is so cute. Look at the little spade. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's like a little spade right there. And then on the other side, it's just that. There's no pocket on the other side. And it also has a zip. A zip closure. So you can close it. Zip it up. But y'all know I'm not going to zip up nothing. I just like my stuff to be wide open. And then it has a little Kate Spade right there. It says Kate Spade, New York. So that is cute. So this is, I thought this was a really cute, neat bag. Or whatever. And then here's the little care card. It had everything in there. So you can just you know, fit like a little small wallet, like this little Coach wallet. You can just stick that in there. And here's my phone. Stick your phone in there, and then you can get you like some sanitizer, some lotion, and stuff like that, or whatever, like some little Kleenex and wipes and stuff like that, or whatever, because it's like it'll hold, you know, quite a bit. So like I said, I just want to share that with you guys, because I've been having it for a minute. I just kept forgetting to do a video on it. So I had the time today, well, this morning, because y'all, it's like 1:30 in the morning. But I had time to go ahead and do it, so I decided to do it. But like I said, I really love this this chain strap. And I have tried it on, and it fits real good with the longer crossbody strap. Even though I'm not a crossbody girl, but it fits good with the crossbody strap or whatever. And I can't show y'all because, child, I got on my nightgown. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys that. And I probably stick like a cute little puff ball on the corner of it. Or I can do one of my Coach bag charms. But more than likely, I'll probably stick like a cute little puff ball over there. And like I said, here's the little dust bag. Super duper cute. And like always, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.